Guys, this is Jenny from Center Petals, where you can find tips and tricks about flowers and floral design. If that's something that interests you, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Today we're going to talk about Alstroemeria, also known as the Peruvian lily. This flower is a great filler flower, and it's often forgotten to use as a filler flower because it does have larger blooms than other common filler flowers like baby's breath and status. But I love using it in an arrangement because a little bit goes a long way and it looks great with a lot of different kinds of flowers. I really like how it looks with roses and lilies in particular. It doesn't have a fragrance of any kind, which is great for allergy sufferers like me. Yes, I know. I'm a florist with allergies. Go figure. Anyways, it comes in a lot of different colors and can be found year-round very easily in grocery stores. And it also is a cheaper filler flower and is usually around $6 for a bunch, or can be easily found in mixed arrangements too. It also has a great vase life of at least 6 days. If not, like up to 2 weeks, if it's cared for properly in their arrangement. One pro tip for Alstroemeria is to remove all the leaves on the lower half of the stem. You're not going to be able to see it in the arrangement anyways, and if it's in the water or falls off and gets into the water, it's just going to gunk up it and decrease the longevity of your arrangement. So to do that, we're just going to simply hold the top of the stem, and they come off very easily, so I gently just tug on them a little bit and pull my hand down, and there you go, they're all off. You can remove the leaves at the top here too if they look bent or broken, or you get a bad one here and there. Like this one's a little bent, so I might remove that one too. And same way, just gently tug on it. I generally do all the removing right as I'm doing the arrangement so that the flower looks the best while I'm doing the arrangement. Another thing interesting about the Alstroemeria is that it does have little pollen statum things in the inside of the blooms, just like a lily does, but you don't necessarily have to remove that. It doesn't stain the flowers like lilies do. Yeah, as you can see, this one stem has a lot of blooms on it, and a little bit will go a long way in arrangement. Like, you don't need a whole lot of it, which is great. If you found this information helpful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up below. That really helps me out. If you want to learn some more or talk about Alstroemeria some more, you can head over to my free Facebook group called Flower Design for Beginners Community, and I'll have the link for you in the description below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!